Here's another inequality. In this one, we'll also clear parentheses first, multiplying the 2 to the x and 2 to the negative 1, multiplying the 3 to the x and 3 to the positive 1. That would give us 2x minus 2, which is divided by 3, is greater than 3x plus 3 divided by 4. Next, we can clear the fractions. The way we clear fractions is to multiply by the LCM. Since our denominators are 3 and 4, our LCM is 12. So we'll multiply both sides of the equation by 12. Notice that on both sides of this equation, there is only one term. So we'll do the reducing. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 goes into 12 4 times. And now we'll use the distributive property again and multiply the 4 to the 2x and the 4 to the negative 2, the 3 to the 3x, and the 3 to the positive 3. That will give us 8x minus 8 is greater than 9x plus 9. We have x on both sides of the inequality, so we need to bring those together. Let's add a negative 9x to both sides. That'll give us a negative x minus 8 is greater than 9. X is not yet alone. We still need to get rid of the negative 8. So we can add a positive 8 to both sides. Gives us a negative x is greater than 17. X is not alone. We need to get rid of that negative sign. We can multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. But since we are multiplying by a negative, that's going to make the inequality point in the other direction. Giving us positive x is now less than negative 17. So you can see it's convenient we don't have numbers on the number line, so we don't have to go from 0 all the way out to negative 17. We can simply put negative 17 anywhere on the number line we want. We can go 1, 2, 3 spaces and put a 0, and 1, 2, 3 spaces and put a 17. But it would be nice to have numbers on both sides of the number you're looking at, so I need to go 3 spaces on the other side of 17 and make that negative 34. The number we're talking about is negative 17. So we circle negative 17 on the number line. We leave it an open circle since it's strictly less than, and we shade to the left for those numbers that are less than negative 17. Interval notation would be from minus infinity to negative 17, and we end with a parenthesis because our inequality did not have a line under it.